I love the weather. Rain, wind, snow, shine, whatever. It's great. I did a survey recently that basically asked you to mark down the things that you'd done in your life. You put an X next to them, you know, have you seen childbirth, have you been on TV? And I crossed quite a few of them. One of them that surprised me was, have you ever danced in the rain? I've never really even considered the idea of dancing in the rain. Why? But actually I can sort of see the appeal. But I would never do it myself. I don't think anyone needs to see me dancing. Just walking's enough of a jiggle on its own. Just thinking about all the different types of rain that the great rain god Rob McKenna suffered while driving his truck in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and thinking to myself, do you know what? It could be worse. There's a man that never managed to escape the rain because it loved him so much. Breezy droplets, dirty, blattering rain, which when it batters against your windscreen makes no difference to whether you have your windscreen wipers on or off. Light, prickling drizzle, heavy spotting, vertical drizzle, sharp, slanting drizzle, moderate drizzle, refreshing drizzle, vertical downpour, vertical torrential downpour, post-downpour squalling, cold rain, warm rain, mild sea storm, mild gusting rain, intermediate cold gusting rain, syncopated cabbed running rain, regular cabbed running rain. I was at a festival recently in Jersey, and the morning was filled with rain. It got drier as the day went on and got warmer as the day went on. But one of my least favourite types of rain was the rain that we suffered through the morning. It was the rain where it's wet, but you don't really notice it. It sort of feels like a light smattering drizzle. And it's not really evident just how strong that rain is until the day comes to an end and you realise you are soggy. You are soggy beyond all possible reckoning. And now, more than a week later, even my shoes are still suffering from the rain I suffered that day. Today is a sort of drip drop. We had a couple of heavy periods earlier this morning, but now it's a sort of little drip drop, occasional little bit of rain dripping on your head and then moving away. My favourite rain is the loud rain, where it is so intense. You can hear it in a building, you can hear it smashing against your windows, and the best way to experience that sort of rain, in a tent, not outside. Living in Britain, the perfect weather, that perfect day, is such a special thing that we all jump out with joy and scream with pleasure and happiness. But it's such a rare thing that it probably only happens if once a year. We're lucky, sometimes even less. And what is the perfect weather? It's that day where the sun is shining but there's a gentle breeze, where it's hot but not so hot that you're uncomfortable. There's no rain, but the air is chilled, but warm still.